In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your card website. We'll walk through the process from inside your card editor all the way to getting your audio playing directly on your page. Follow along in your own browser so you can set everything up as you listen. Start by opening your card site in the editor. Once you're in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon there. This is how you add new elements to your page. Click on that plus icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the audio option. As soon as you select it, Card will place a new audio element on your page. You can move this audio block around just like any other element in Card. Simply click and drag it to where you want it to appear, whether that's near the top of your page, inside a specific section, or right next to some text or images that relate to your audio. Take a moment to place it somewhere that makes sense for your design. With the audio element selected, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see its settings panel. This is where you'll paste your audio link and customize how it behaves. Card accepts audio URLs from a few specific platforms: AudioMac, Bandcamp, Google Drive, Mixcloud, and SoundCloud. Your audio file needs to be hosted on one of these services. For this example, let's use Google Drive. Open a new tab and head to your Google Drive, then find the audio file you want to use. Click to open it so you can see the playback screen. At the top right, next to the main share button, there's a smaller quick share icon, often represented by a downward arrow or similar symbol. Click that, and from the drop-down options, choose Copy Link. This puts the shareable link to your audio file on your clipboard. Now go back to your card editor. In the audio elements settings on the left, find the field labeled URL and paste the link you just copied from Google Drive into that box. Once the link is in place, your audio element will be connected to that file. From here, you can choose whether you want background play enabled, so your audio continues while visitors scroll, and you can explore other appearance and animation options to match your site's style. Adjust those settings until the audio looks and behaves the way you want, then preview your site to confirm everything is working correctly.